by 6 months, I'm talking about last December, by June, July, you already know the results. I got about 180% profits and I did your homework very well. Since I worked on ship, I didn't have internet connection to follow your videos. You don't know how much courage I had. Whenever I go to a port after 1 month, I download all your YouTube videos into my pen drive because I was joining the ship. I was not in Sri Lanka.
Right.
When I booked this course, I was in Pacific Ocean. I already told your team I will miss the first lesson. I have started share market long back and I lost a lot of money on that. I put about 5 lakhs and finally I had only 250 lakhs remaining. So one day by coincidence, I got a video of yourself when I was taking a jog in the morning. So I started listening to your video and I came home. I started doing your lessons workout in a piece of paper. So then I have seen by going through your previous lessons, each and every step one by one, how to do share market, I got a very good idea. And one of the video you are explaining a case like you always say that this is not a buy or sell recommendation, but it says if you can buy for 50 rupees and can buy for 70 rupees, it will go like this and you will get this much of profit. And when I look at the share market present prices, I see the same example is on November 2022. It's there. So then I realized, oh my god, this is already the YouTube. Why I am not utilizing it? I had about 1.3 million at that time. I put all the money very confidently into these shares. And by 6 months, I'm talking about last December, by June, July, you already know the results. I got about 180% profits and I did your homework very well. And few things also I learned about power of averaging. You keep talking about those days, power of averaging. So those actually I bought 17 rupees those days because I had no knowledge. I bring down the price about 10 rupees by doing averaging. Also, I did very high price. I bring down the price because we never knew about when to buy. I knew good companies, but we never knew when to buy. Even someone buy 120, there is not the time to buy. You have to buy it in lower price. So you taught me everything, and now I'm very happy. I got very good results, and thank you so much, sir. Your course is already 100 times I already recovered before starting the course. And one more thing.
Yes.
So since I worked on ship, I didn't have internet connection to follow your videos. You don't know how much courage I had. Whenever I go to a port after 1 month, I download all your YouTube videos into my pen drive and at sea I used to watch it. And it is very convenient. So if someone listens to your videos with the brain, you always give the clue what's going on.
Yes.
Because now I never knew when to sell these shares.
Yes.
And you said share market will go up to 12 SPI 12,000.
Yes.
So it's another indication. You just wait peacefully, don't panic and all these things, So basically you always give the listeners, if they have brain, if they know how to analyze what you are saying, it's already the information is there.
Yeah.
It's only you think little bit and you apply it. I missed your January course because I was joining the ship. I was not in Sri Lanka.
Right.
When I booked this course, I was in Pacific Ocean. I already told your team I will miss the first lesson because I'm still at sea. But second lesson I will be in Sri Lanka because I badly wanted to follow this course.
Sure.
If I miss this, there is no any other course for this year.
Yeah. So you managed to watch the videos of the course?
Yes, I almost watched many of your videos.
Right.
And I got a lot of information. I learned a lot of things. But I personally want to meet you, sir, because one time I just want to analyze my personal finance with you. Just one time I want to meet you face to face.
There are
Please
students
give me this opportunity.
Yeah. So you
Yes,
just
sir.
send a message, then they will MasterMind
Sure,
team
sir.
send you.